Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. So she know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like a...
Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Yay, are you popping, guys? We are at home, but we're still gonna pop. Isolation have made your girl sit down and glam herself up. This hair was sent to me like over 6 months ago because I don't like doing makeup on myself. So finally, I'm using this hair, okay? So the hair is from Eva Hair. You guys know Eva Hair. Eva Hair is a company that I've been working with forever. Eva Hair, beautiful. The thing I love about Eva Hair is their lace. Their lace is HD. HD lace, yeah? Anybody can lay flawless wig. Like, look at that. Look at that. Even without laying my lace, this is not laid at all, but the lace is HD. The thinness of them all. I'm gonna put the link to Evawigs hair in the description box. HD lace wig. Look at me. I am popping. I am slaying to the god. Beautiful texture. Everything about Eva hair is lovely, luscious. Look at that. I love everything about Eva hair. Customer care, the hair texture, the hair quality, the lace, guys, frontal, best in the game, guys. HD lace. If you watch some of my video, anytime you see me lay flawless wig is HD, because HD lace is very easy to lay because it's very thin. It disappears. The thinness of them all. Quarantine babe, but make it what? Fashion. Yes. Yes, guys, I'm filming from my house. Most of the things I'm using are oldie, but they are goodie. Like this brush here, I did not bring brush home, so I have to use this brush. This is one of my old brush, but I used it today because your girl did not bring anything home. I'm just managing even my makeup product. This lipstick is one of those lipsticks that I lost. I lost this lipstick like, I think 7 months ago, but I finally found it because I have no options. Juvia palette is the only palette I have at home. So all of the look I'm going to be doing until the lockdown is over is going to be from this palette. Yes, because I'm going to be filming more makeup tutorial myself. I'm going to use that time to glam myself up because why not? I don't like using concealer on my brows just because I don't like the overall look on my own face, okay? Yes, on my own face. But most of the time as well, celebrities don't like using concealer because it's kind of harsh sometimes if you don't blend it really well, if you don't use your exact color. The trick is to use brown pencil. After you use brown pencil, you apply highlighter underneath, then you go with the darker pencil and trace underneath, and it's gonna pop. Okay, yeah. So guys, I'm not gonna be talking through, but if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Like I said before, link to this beautiful hair, Evawigs hair, is in the description box. So enjoy the video. Here we go. Wig cap application. I love to use this, got to be the black tube one to blend the edges.
They be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like
Foundation NC42. I packed it on, then I'm gonna blend with a beauty blender. Using Ellie Mascara foundation as a concealer, packing it on, and I'm gonna highlight under my brows. Then I'm gonna contour, and then blend and blend and blend.
be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose.
This powder is a translucent powder that I got from Superdrugs because I don't really have anything else, so I'm using this powder, and I'm gonna contour my hairline, blend it out and set with the powder.
Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs.
Then I'm gonna set the rest of my face with MAC NC42. Then I'm gonna contour my nose with NW45.
Give her the pipeline, enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove, she ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make it bounce like a hurricane.
I'm using a pink blush from Rimmel.
Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes, one time. Say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel like
Juvia's Place palette to the rescue, because that's the only palette that I've got at home until I go and pick my makeup from the studio.
bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like a tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm,
You guys, it's been a long time that I've actually done makeup on my face, like full on makeup. Anytime you see makeup on my face, it's either my assistant did it for me or somebody who came for training, makeup training, used my face to practice. It's been a long time, so I'm learning to do makeup on my face over again.
ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make it bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like a tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes, one time.
I was looking around and I saw this red lipstick palette, and I said to myself, yes, Chichi, you have to wear red lipstick. It's been a long time you wore red lipstick, so why not? And I love it.
She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make it bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like a tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes.
For the brows, I use Rimmel brow pencil as usual. I use dark brown to fill the brows in.
Me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make it bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like a tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business.
Because I'm not going to be using concealer under the brows, I'm going to highlight under the brows. Then after that, I'm going to use a darker pencil. Here, I'm using black brown just to outline underneath. It's going to make your brows pop without using concealer.
Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make it bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like a tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes, one time. Say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place.
I'm going to highlight my face with Ignite highlighter. And I'm going to apply blush again to blend.
I'ma make it bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like a tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business.
I really love those lashes. It's so beautiful. Your girl is slaying. I love it.
Then I look her in her eyes one time. Say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body swinging.
I am poppy. So I have to reduce the light and zoom my face in. Ooh, beautiful Evawigs hair. Link is gonna be down below. Your girl finally slaying, because why not? I have so many wigs at home which I haven't used, so many wigs that I've not used, so this is the time for me to slay in all my wigs. They are all brand new, so why not? I'm slaying. I am popping. I really love this wig. Eva wig hair, HD lace.
Killing her body, she ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose.
You just need to apply a darker powder and it's just gonna blend completely. I did not even apply a darker powder, but it still look good.
Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes.
That's the finished look. I took some pictures with my phone. They are not that great, but I like it.
Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body.
Guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful tutorial. Let me know your favorite part of this look. The contouring, the brows, the shadow, the lashes. I love everything about this look. I am popping. I am slaying to the god. If you want me to do more tutorial on myself, let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, okay? Turn on the notification as well. Get your girl to 1 million subscribers. Love you guys. I really appreciate your love, your support. I'm very grateful for you guys. Thank you so much for the support. I do not take it for granted. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, love you all.